Have you ever woken up, opened your laptop and felt completely drained? Like, I can't do this today. Well then, this video is for you. Today we're talking about something every professional faces: burnout. Hello everyone, I'm Ajay and welcome to our series on surviving and thriving in the corporate world. Whether you're dealing with burnout, managing stress, or just trying to stay productive, we got you covered. In today's video, we're focusing on burnout in corporate jobs, something that we all experience but often don't talk about. I'll be sharing 6 actionable steps that you can start practicing today to help you manage your burnout, regain your energy, and perform at your best. And also stick around because I'll be sharing one mindset shift that helped many professionals reclaim their balance. Step number 1, recognize burnout. You can't fix something unless you spot what it is, right? So how do you know if you're burning out? If you feel constantly tired even after a night's sleep, if you feel irritable, detached, or a feeling that you can't focus on anything, these are the classic signs of a burnout. For example, if you're staring at your screen and nothing feels engaging, then it's a red flag. Take a moment and check in with yourself. Am I feeling too overwhelmed? Am I struggling to focus? Because recognizing burnout early is the first step to manage it. But after you recognize your burnout, what's next? Step number 2 is about looking at your options. What can I actually do about it? Burnout often feels like it's all on you, but sometimes it's more about the work environment. So step number 2, talk to your boss or your manager. If your deadlines are hard to match, ask them if it can be adjusted or your task can be delegated. But if that doesn't work, do not hesitate to explore into other opportunities that align with your well-being and values. Remember, your health comes first. Adjusting your workload is very important, but you don't have to do that alone. Which brings us to step number 3, seeking support. Burnout thrives in isolation and weakens when you have people to lean on. So talk to your coworker, talk to your friend or family. Maybe they went through the same and can give you an advice, or they can help you deal with the problem much better. Sometimes voicing your stress makes it feel less heavy. And don't forget about your company's Employee Assistance Program, EAP. This program offers counseling, stress management resources, and even connect you to support when you need it the most. Now let's talk about recharging, which brings us to step number 4, recharge with healthy habits. Burnout happens when you're running on empty, so you need to reset. Start with something small. 5 minutes of deep breathing or even meditation at your desk can help. It doesn't take much to recharge your energy. Exercise is another simple but a very effective tool. I'm not talking about hitting the gym, but taking a small walk after lunch can definitely help. It keeps your body moving and clears up your mind. And of course, sleep. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep, because if you're sleep deprived, you cannot function properly. Healthy habits are essential, but there's also a mental technique which is incredibly effective to manage stress, and that is mindfulness. Which brings us to step number 5, practice mindfulness. Mindfulness helps you stay present and focused in the moment instead of thinking about your to-do list. For example, if you're in a meeting, focus entirely on the conversation rather than you're piling up tasks. If you're eating, think about the taste, texture, and the experience of the food. This small shift clears up your mind and gives you a break from the constant pressure of work. Mindfulness helps you in the moment, but long-term recovery from a burnout often requires a bigger shift in the mindset. Which brings us to step number 6, keep an open mind. Burnout is not a sign of weakness, but a signal for you to pause, rethink, and possibly reset. This could mean you need a change of work routine, switching teams, or even changing jobs if you're no longer passionate about your current role. Being open to change is the key to a long-term recovery. Whether that means shifting to a new project or exploring new job opportunities, embrace the change if it helps your well-being. So now if you put all of these steps together, recognizing burnout, adjusting your workload, seeking support, building healthy habits, practicing mindfulness, and being open to change, you'll have a much stronger defense against burnout. Now I would love to hear if you have ever faced burnout at work, and what is this one tip that you would like to give other people? Drop it in the comments, because you might just help someone today. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to Star Agile for more content on career growth, productivity, and wellness. Thanks for watching, and remember, your job matters, but your well-being matters more.